Top of the morning, come along with me for part of my day. I ain't gonna lie, my ear look kinda rough, but ain't nothing a little wash and go can't fix. Hopped out the shower, got my products for my wash and go, and I got to work. This process only took me a few minutes, and before you knew it, I was done. I was in a rush, I had no time to use a blow dryer, so I decided to let my hair air dry. Got to work was fun, and Chelsea was dancing up a storm as usual.
I went live and went over to where Sean was playing, and I ain't gonna lie, I did a little 1-2 step, and Sean had the little DJ bop going in the background. I wasn't done yet, I grabbed my water bottle and started DJing, and before you know it, DJ Chiney was on deck. Work today was so fun. I swear it should be illegal to be having this much fun while working. After work, it was onward to the next part of my day. It's a beautiful day in Kingston City, and I be a traffic dip on the road. Finally got to the warehouse where I dropped off some Jolifairehair travel size to give away for the holiday season. After I did all that, I still end up in a beer traffic. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't know what was going on in Kingston City, but the traffic was at a standstill so much so people come out of them car for argue and cuss one another. Sitting in a gridlock, but I think someone should buy a little yang instead of buy one car, cause right about now, no car now move. I had to go for an interview, and it literally took me almost 2 hours to get to my destination. I finally made it just in time for my interview with the Mecca Lifestyle podcast. It was a fun little interview. We talk about a lot of things. We had girl talk, and we talk about all things Chiney Pop Girl, things to come in the future, and what I'm up to now. After my interview, it was off to CPJ Market for a shoot. I was shooting for Blink Sky JA, and I ain't gonna lie, what a perfect match, because you know me, I love to pick up two little things. I went over to the freezer to pick up a ham. I said I was gonna cook this ham for Christmas, but I ain't gonna lie, I didn't realize I saw ham heavy. The ham weighed at least 7 pounds, and I wasn't gonna make it to the gym today, so I decided to take the opportunities to catch up on a few squats. The shoot went really well, but after doing all that, I got a bit hungry. Since we were next door, we hopped over to Crew to get something to eat. We started with the drinks, and I ain't gonna lie, after the day I just had, it was so necessary. The music was good, so you know I was rocking. Jano, I forgot to video, but I had oxtail and rice, and it was so good. I finally got home and got ready to unwind under a candlelit shower. A candlelit shower is also necessary to help you unwind from a very long day. And of course, on the speaker, I was playing my favorite songs. Got out the shower, got dressed, and got ready for a little Netflix and chill. I then poured me a very small glass of wine to relax. Got to my living room, changed the ambience to blue, and got ready to fire up my Netflix. I just love enjoying me time. Okay, bye!